workshop, some wrap-up comments. You learned a lot during the last 3 days about basics of InSAR time series processing, leakage paths, how to put error bars on your measurements, how to look at earthquakes and volcanoes with InSAR, and the final session that we have on the deep learning for deformation detection. We have 25% in-person participants. On average, 250 people were online during our sessions. Please share your feedback. I explained you before, also for online people. We will send you the online feedback form. So please help us to improve our workshop for the next years. Some final general remarks about the InSAR. As you saw in the last lectures, InSAR is a continuous battle between signal and noise. How to separate noise, different kind of noise from different kind of signals you have. In the last 25 years, it evolved from very technology-driven opportunity to demand-driven necessity these days, where we just one event interprogram to over continent velocity restraint maps that you saw yesterday in the lectures. With new satellites, we have much very interesting actually future on InSAR, and we'll start to see signals we have ever seen before with better algorithms, much more data, stronger computing, and a smarter AI. So next couple of years and decades, I think is very interesting for InSAR. And what you learned in last 3 days is just the starting point, I think. So if you are interested in these, there are lots of next steps that you should explore yourself. These are the pictures that we had today. So, and that's it from my side. So, Tim, Harris, or final remarks.
Yeah, I mean, thank you. I just wanted to say thank you to all of you for turning up in person and online. Managed to capture Leeds in the sunshine there as well.
Yes,
very good. Well done. I want to say a massive thank you in particular to Sammy, who's done a huge amount of work into organising. So I think we should give Sammy there's some other people behind the scenes. Lucy's worked very hard.
Lucy, Shine,
all the lecturers. So let's give everyone all of them a round of applause, even if they're not here. Yeah, as Sammy said, I think InSAR is been an incredible journey during my career, and I think really feels like we're at the start of this kind of exponential growth in this as a technology. I'm really excited to see what you all do with the technology in your careers. You've got much longer careers ahead of you than I have, and so that's very exciting to see. And hopefully you'll remember the InSAR training, and when you're rich and famous, we're open to sponsorship and all of that. In the meantime, we have some certificates, I think, to hand out to people who are here. I don't know whether you want to do it individually.
Perhaps close the online session.
Yeah. So thank you to everybody online, and yes, please do fill in the feedback form. That's really really important for us to do better. So thank you again, everybody online. Okay. Right, should we hand some of these out?